Alright, we're going to move that. We're going to take this tree down. We're going to trim that tree. Another dead tree in the back. Trimming. I talked to him about taking the live oak down, so just trimming it now. We'll do a little time-lapse video, getting this thing organized and set up. It's been raining off and on all day, so just trying to get a few things done here. We're getting a shade here. Alright guys, I did all this trimming right here. Took down half this tree with this pole saw. It's a steel extended pole saw with that 19-inch bar I told you guys about. And on all my top handle saws, all my pole saws, I've taken down trees just with two saws, top handle and pole saw. I have a small pole saw and a big pole saw. These are like godsend, especially if you don't have a bucket truck, you don't have a lift. You'd be surprised what you can do. Look how far that reaches up. I can trim probably about 20 feet, take down anything. Now I'm making room for my bucket truck, but literally I just took down almost half this tree in about 10 minutes. Look at all that debris. So I'm going to take a little bit more down what I can reach, and then we can take down safely. Make a hole in this thing and then back the truck up, and because there's no use pulling your bucket truck under a tree, then you can take half of it down with a pole saw, make some room. You're going to tear up your truck, you scratch it all up, then you're going to be like trying to get in and out of there. It's just easier to make some room. I do the same thing when I have a crane. I go over my bucket truck, take everything down I can, drop it out of the way, and then the crane can come in, make a hole for it. So that way the crane can operate and it's not frustrating trying to work around stuff. Josh is pushing the debris to the road. The tree's coming down. We got another dead tree in the back, and a small tree and some trimming. He already ground up all the stumps. He's got a few more, and we ground up the stumps that were around this tree, so that way he didn't run into them or give him problems. So we'll be done with this job pretty much in one day. Maybe come back to do some big stump grinding and haul away brush, debris. So, tree life. 5/8-foot tree. Go out on a limb for you. Keep it small and stay small and keep it all. Alright, we're done with the first tree. They're going to do an estimate, so I had to come back, hold this up, and it rained a few times today. But at least we got the front tree done, get that all cleaned up, pushed to the road. The loader truck will be coming tomorrow night for All we got left is a dead tree in the backyard. We got another small tree, some trimming there, and the neighbor wants us to trim some trees, so might be here for a while, a couple more days. But I'd rather stay here, keep working than tail all over town. So true life, getting it done, one day at a time. I'm using the old Husqvarna 450 Rancher. It's a tool of choice right now for blocking down smaller stuff. And I was using a 2-1T steel top handle with a 16-inch pico bar earlier. Took the whole tree down. The hole saw and the 2-1T made about 4 cuts with the Husky. So everything's doing well. Might have to take out a bigger saw to do the base cut, and then we'll be done with this tree. Head on the next.